today is going to be on muscle contractions. Now there are 4 types of muscle contractions, but today I'm only going to talk about 3. So 3 muscle contractions that you may have heard of before are eccentric contractions, concentric contractions, and isometric contractions. In this video, I'm going to show you what each one looks like, as well as how it can be effective in our workout programs.
Eccentric contractions, also known as negative work, is when a muscle is lengthening or stretching during a contraction. This is where a majority of our strength is going to be coming from, and doing an exercise at a slower tempo can actually allow the muscle to be working harder for a longer period of time. This can then lead to our muscles feeling very fatigued and sore after, which will then lead to a proper strength during recovery. Concentric contractions are known for muscles shortening. So here in a push-up, we see the actual pushing motion in the push-up be our concentric contraction. So this is shortening muscles in our chest, our shoulders, and our triceps. Isometric contractions are when our muscles are staying at a constant length throughout the entire exercise. Isometric contractions are used to help build all the muscle groups that are being used within that exercise. For example, when we perform an exercise like a full body plank, our body is activating muscles from our core to our upper body and to our lower body to maintain that position.
So what do I mean when our muscles are shortening or lengthening in a muscle contraction? Let's take our bicep, for example. With our bicep, when my arm is flexed or in a concentric contraction, all the muscle fibers are now shortened and compact together. But now as I slowly bring my arm out, now my muscle fibers are going to begin to lengthen in my bicep. The same thing is going to be happening in our pectoralis muscle or our chest muscle when we are performing a push-up. When we are going in the lowering part of our push-up, all of our muscles are going to slowly lengthen out. And then as we come back up, our muscles are going to shorten when it comes back to the pushing upward motion.